The total of $524,800 worth in NFT and USDT is about to be shared among 31 people. Yes, if you're able to watch this particular video to the end, I'll be explaining how you'll be able to participate and be among the 31 people who will be able to share this huge amount of money. Look at it, this is act of mining, and as at now, I think I've been mining this particular project for at least 7 months or close to 8 months thereabout, and I'll be able to mine 7,731.72 tokens. And the what now, let me come to the particular section called manage. Let's see what it was. I've always actually sent out 225 to test the withdraw option, and this what 108.24 as at the time of sharing this particular video. And if my community will help me win this particular, or to be one of the 31 people to win this particular challenge, I will also be sharing this particular prize pool among my community. Look at it. Let me show you. I have our referrals. Let me show you my referrals. As at now, I have the total of all my referrals combined together. I have those that use my direct link are 170, and all total my downline we are currently at 377. So let me show you what I needed to show you now. So the Atok team actually brought out a post on their Telegram official channel, which I'll be sharing with you. Look at this. They are launching an Atok Referral Extravaganza, invite friends and earn reward. There's a clause that I will be sharing with you at the end of this particular video. So to celebrate our rapid growth, let me show you what I'm actually talking about. So to celebrate our rapid growth, Atok is launching a final major event before our TG. That means their listening is coming up very soon. So refer friends and get a chance to win. Look at the some prize now, which is huge, 524,800 worth in NFT and in USDT. Now let's go. The event is actually taking place from August 29 and it will be ending in around 30th of September 2025. So this is how to participate. Share your referral code from the Atok app. A successful referral is new user who sign up with your code, complete their tasks and checks in. So I'll be dropping my referral link like what I say. If I'm able to be one of those 31 lucky winners, I'll also be sharing my reward back to my community here. So that means you need to actually share this video so that a lot of people can actually know about, so that this particular video could go viral. You'll be helping me and also be helping the community. So the prize will be shared among 31 winners via random draw. So the first prize here, the first prize will be the first prize. We're going on with 51,200 plus 1,000 USDT, which is quite huge. So this is what the second winner and the likes will be doing. So this is an important update. So important details here, which you can see here. Update your referral code and links before starting your invite. So your referral code, your previous referral code it has become invalid, and if you are using it currently, those referral will not be counted for you. So winner for both events. So the winners for this event will be announced on October 8th, 2025. So prize will be distributed starting October 9, which is this. So you can only win one prize. If you win in both events, you will receive the higher value prize. So referrals are only counted within the app. Fraudulent activity, e.g. bot, duplication account, result in disqualification. All referral activities must be genuine, and only tier 1 referrals can be counted. Fraudulent activities will be resulted in disqualification. So what they mean by tier 1 referral means anyone that is able to use your referral link are those that will be counted for you. So let's say I refer somebody to refer another person. The person that my referral refer will not be counted for this particular event. So I'll be dropping my referral link to the Atok app in the description of this particular video. And don't forget to follow our YouTube channel to like, share, and click on the bell notification. So if you want to copy your referral code, this is how to go about it. So if you want to copy your new referral code, this is how you go about it. You come to this particular, when you log in the app, every link, every video that you need about Atok on how to get started, withdraw, and everything, and how to earn faster, I'll be dropping it in this particular video. So this is it now. Link. This is my referral code. So for everybody who wants to start, I'll be dropping it in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. Try as much as possible to see that our community, this particular YouTube channel, will make it to one of the top 31 people, and the prize that we are able to win, I'll be sharing with my community members. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so again it's when I upload another video like this. Thank you and bye bye for now.